Discover the secrets to server hopping on your phone and unlock a whole new world of Blox Fruits adventures. First, make sure you're logged into Blox Fruits. On your mobile device, you should be seeing the main game screen like this one. Now, look towards the bottom of your screen and tap on the Roblox icon. It's usually located in the bottom navigation bar. It looks like the Roblox logo. This will take you to the game description page for Blox Fruits. Scroll down. And what you are looking for is a server list. Keep scrolling until you see a list of different servers. You'll see details like the number of players currently in each server. Pay attention to this because you are going to want to select a server. To switch, simply tap on the server you want to join. I recommend choosing one with fewer players if you're looking for a less crowded experience. After tapping the server, the game will automatically start loading you into your new server. Give it a few seconds to connect. And just like that, you've successfully switched servers on Blox Fruits mobile. Now you can team up with friends, find new crews, or dominate the leaderboards. So go out there and explore everything Blox Fruits has to offer, one server at a time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Blox Fruits tips and tricks. Happy gaming!